Yo! What have you broken?
I haven't broke anything. I've broken it.
You got any new parts?
Yeah, man.
Perfect.
Oh, yes.
Hello guys and welcome to another Carsexposed video. Today we have this Nissan Note 2007. We worked on this car before and finally the locking mechanism finally gave up. It's not working anymore, so it's not opening from the inside anymore. So my friend Nats, to get out of the car, he has to open up the windows and then open the lock from the outside. But he went ahead and bought a new one, a new lock, second hand. Seems like in a pretty good condition and is working properly, so we're gonna replace that and I'm gonna bring you guys along today. Right, so we're gonna start, it's pretty simple, but we're gonna start removing this trim for the handle. It gets stuck at the bottom sometimes. There we go. Right, next I'm gonna remove the electric window controls. There we go. I will disconnect everything. There we go. Next, I'm gonna remove a Phillips screw just inside there. It's a little cover. There we go. Then next we have the tweeter. It's just held by some plastic. It's like a poppers. One up here that goes in here, and one down here. But the one down here is broken. So disconnect the tweeter. There we go. And now we can start removing the whole panel. It has some plastic poppers all around, so the plastic panel removing tool, we're just gonna start prying in the corners. And as you can see, there's already two came out. Just go around the edges, pull on the panel, and then at the top here you have to push it up and it should come off. There we go. Well, to have a better access to the locking mechanism, I will remove this support here, I guess, for the 10mm bolts. To have a little better access. I think we can get it through without removing it, but it's going to make it a lot easier. Make it easier for us. And if we can make it easier, it's always a win. Just to show you what it looks like inside, we can see the lock just behind the runner for the window. So what we're gonna do is remove this 10mm bolt, and then we should have some movement. Obviously make sure the glass is up, and should have some movement to get the cables around the runner and also the locking mechanism. And then you have electrical connection, and I'll unplug that one. It's kind of a little bit this way, yeah. And then here I can probably start removing here. I'll show you guys. So you pop that out of support mount, and then let's see if I can focus on that, and then you have the bolt, then the cable, pull it out. So that's disconnected. This one 10mm bolt here, and you can pop that, just move to the right, and it comes out. Now let me remove this 10mm here for the runner. Now we should have some flexibility there now. 3 Phillips screws. That's a tough one. Right, so that's done. Alright, so removing the runner bolt at the bottom, as you can see, you can move it about now, so I can get the cables, and I can also get the lock through past the runner. To get this cable behind. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so the lock is here now, and it should be that easy to, it's a lot easier to unplug it now. There we go. So we're gonna remove the handle as well. So that pops out as a value. So the handle itself, it's perfect. But the problem with this lock is if I lock the mechanism, so that's in lock position. This is for the handle outside. So if I pull, unlocks it, so it's fine, it's working fine from the outside. Let me lock this again. Come on. Right, so lock again. If you pull from the handle cable from the inside, see if I can get it there, nothing happens, as you can see. So it's a mechanical problem, so it's not unlocking or opening the door at all. Let me show you the new one. I'm gonna do the same thing. So locked, I pull on a handle, and that should unlock. See? Lock again. There you go. So it's working as it should. Right, so I'm gonna refit it back in. It's basically the reverse process that we took it out. Just make sure the cables obviously fall inside of this foam inside, but there's no secret. Cables here. Right, so the lock is back in place. Just want to show you inside what it looks like, because you have the runner, you have to keep it there obviously free for the glass to come down. So the outside handle goes around this foam bit, and then it connects to the lock itself, as you can see there. And then the other cable, this is the one that was bad. Now it's working. Already test that. So we're gonna I closed it. We give you a shot. So it's working properly now. So it was a mechanical problem with the other one. The cable is connected. Just gonna put the cover back and everything else, and then I'll come back when it's finished. There you go, guys, all back in place now. Looking good. Let's test the handle one more time. Obviously I already done it, but I want to test it before you put everything back. But there you go, lock. There we go to the handle. There we go, lovely. So the only way he could open the car before was open up the window, and from the outside use the handle from the outside. So happy?
Very happy. Thank you for that.